Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 4th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, metals and mining, auto, FMCG, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Bajaj Finance made a dramatic move today, surged plus 8.32% to 1,141.20 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Bajaj Finance's 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and AUM growth. ReadyFF.com. AUM growth guidance and credit cost assumptions are the two numbers that drive the stock. Any upgrade to AUM guidance signals demand confidence. Any deterioration in 90-plus day delinquencies is the early warning. The cross-sell ratio, products per customer, is the moat metric to track. Moving to IT and technology. TCS is down minus 2.72%, trading at 2,365.60 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korean stocks plunge, erasing RE rally gains as chip sell-off deepens. Nikkei Asia. North American BFSI IT spending is at an inflection point. Any signal of budget revival from U.S. banks and insurance firms would drive a TCS earnings upgrade cycle. The AI Copilot and automation deal pipeline is the differentiation story for the current cycle. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel is up plus 2.18%, trading at 191 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that what puts BHP, ASX BHP, back in metals focus? Kalkine Media. The near-term technical picture for Tata Steel looks constructive. Watch the 198.64 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to auto. Tata Motors climbed plus 1.66% to 339.75 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ stabilizes as earnings validate RE TradeStation. Jaguar Land Rover order bank and production volumes are the earnings swing factor. Range Rover and Defender remain sold out in key markets, which is a strong near-term pricing signal. JLR balance sheet deleveraging is ahead of schedule. Watch for any semiconductor supply update that could unlock further production. Moving to FMCG. ITC dipped minus 1.42% to 281 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ stabilizes as earnings validate RE TradeStation. After today's weakness, the 272.57 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for ITC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.33, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.